everyone and welcome to Tech Sat Solution. In today's video, I'll be teaching you Microsoft Excel of absolute beginners. Even if you have never opened Excel before, don't worry. This is the perfect place to start learning it. So let's begin. So when you open an Excel and create a new blank workbook, this is how it looks like. These horizontal numbers on the left are called rows. 1, 2, 3 and so on. These vertical letters at the top are called columns. A, B, C and so on. Each small box is a cell where every cell has an address like A1, B2 or C3. You can always see the cell address here in the name box. And this long white area, the top is a formula box where formulas are displayed and edited. At the bottom, you'll be able to see sheets, tabs such as sheet 1 and sheet 2. And up here, you have the ribbon, which is contain all the tools you will use. So let's enter the first set of data. I'm going to start by entering all the names first, and then I'll enter the marks separately. In cell A1, I'll type name, and in cell B1, I will type marks. These will be my headings. Now, I'll go to the cell A2 and start entering the name, one below the other. In A2, I'll type Anushka, press enter to go down, and in A3, I will press enter Rahul to go down, enter again. And in A4, I will type Meera. I will move to the marks column. So now I'll click on the cell B2 and start entering the marks. For Anushka, I will enter 90. For Rahul, 85. And for Meera, I will type 92. To select multiple cells, simply click on and drag across them. To select the entire column, click on the column letter. To select the whole row, click on the selected row letter. Now let's learn about a very useful feature called Autofill. If I type 1 and 2 in two cells, select the both and drag the corner downwards. Excel automatically continues the number pattern. After this is how I autofill all the numbers in Excel.
Now let me show how to quickly autofill days of the week in Excel. First type Monday in one cell. In the next cell below, it types Tuesday. Now select both the cells together. Once they are selected, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the second cell. You will see the cursor turn into a small plus symbol. Just click and drag the plus symbol down, and that's it. Excel will automatically fill the rest of the days of your week.
Just like we did with the days, type January and February. Select both and drag the small plus symbol down. Excel will automatically fill all these months for you. Now let's look at some basic formulas. All formulas in Excel must begin with an equal to sign. To add two numbers, type equal to B2 plus B3. subtract equal to B3 minus B2. To multiply equal to B2 star, that's multiplication, to divide, it will be equal to B3 slash 2. It's a division sign. You can see the formula written clearly in the formula box on the top. Now let's make our table look more neat and professional. I will start by selecting the header row and make it bold. Then I will increase the font size. I can add a light fill color to highlight the header. Next, I will add the borders around the entire table. Finally, I will adjust the column width and center the text to improvise readability.
Now let's learn one of the most important thing in Excel, how to save your file. To save your work, go to the top left corner and click on File from the menu. Choose Save As. Here, Excel asks where you want to save your file. You can choose this PC, desktop, documents, or any folder you prefer. Next, give your file a name. Below that, make sure the file type is Excel workbook. That's .xlsx. This mentions. This is the standard format. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your file is now saved. From now on, every time you want to save changes, you can simply press Ctrl S on your keyboard and Excel will update the file instantly. Saving frequently helps you avoid losing your work.
And that brings us to the end of the part 1 of Excel for beginners. We covered the Excel interface, entering data, selecting cells, using autofills, and basic formulas, the sum functions, and the simple formatting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Start Solution. For more easy tutorials, part 2 is coming soon. We will learn sort filing, chats, and lot more. Thanks for watching.